Welcome to Bo Make Food. Today I'll be showing you how to make a simple pita bread that I learned from Aki's Kitchen. See link in the description. I modified the recipe slightly to suit my tastes, opting for less olive oil and also increasing the flavor through the use of cold fermentation. The first thing you want to do is mix the first 4 ingredients, they're noted in blue, together and let the yeast activate for a few minutes. Next, add this mixture to the rest of the ingredients and mix until consistent. Since I plan to cold ferment the dough for 24 hours, meaning I am going to let it rise slowly in a refrigerator, I am using a quarter of the recommended dry yeast when compared to Aki's recipe. Once you've completed mixing the dough, add some olive oil to prevent it from sticking as it rises, and then cover it up and refrigerate it. After about 24 hours, take the dough out of the refrigerator and dump it out onto a clean countertop. At this point, I section it out into 100-gram balls. This will make roughly 11 pita breads that are about 7 to 8 inches in diameter. As you handle the dough and ball it up, fermentation activity will increase as it starts to warm back up to room temperature. After they are all balled up, scrape away excess flour from the countertop, and then use olive oil to shape each ball into its final shape. If the ball retracts when you try to shape it, just let it rest for a few more minutes, which will relax the dough and make it stretch easier. On my fingers, now push right down. And I try to make it into a disc shape, but see how it's coming back in? It's kind of shrinking. That means the dough needs to rest a little bit longer. So we're gonna let it rest. As a note, by the time I reach this point, the dough has been out of the refrigerator for about 30 to 45 minutes. Heat up a non-stick skillet on low to medium setting. You'll have to adjust the temperature as you progress. Transfer the dough carefully and then arrange quickly as you put it on the skillet. I find that I end up lowering the temperature during the course of making the pitas as the pan gets hotter and hotter. I go for about 1.5 to 2 minutes on each side, flipping it once the bubbles form in the dough. Once done, place on the cooling rack and repeat until finished. We enjoy these with a variety of dips from hummus to just plain old olive oil. In addition, you can make pizza out of these quite easily. Enjoy, and until next time, go make food.